The bat. The bat consists of two parts, a handle and a blade. The basic requirements and measurement of the bat are set out in this clause. Second, the handle. The handle is to be made principally of can and or wood. The part of the handle that is wholly outside of the blade is defined to be the upper portion of the handle. It is straight shaped for holding the bat. The upper portion of the handle may be covered with a grip. Third, the blade. The blade comprises the whole of the bat apart from the handle. The blade shall consist of solely wood and shall have a conventional flat face. Fourth, protection and repair. Provided clause 5.5 is not contravened. The blade may be covered with a material for protection, strengthening or repair. Such a material shall not exceed of 1 by 16 inches by 1.56 mm in thickness. 5.5 Damage to the ball. For any part of the bat covered or uncovered, the hardness of the constituent materials and the surface texture thereof shall not be such that either or both could cause unacceptable damage to the ball. Any material placed on any part of the bat for whatever purpose shall similarly not such that could be cause unacceptable damage to the ball. For the purpose of these clauses, unacceptable damage is any change that is greater than normal wear and tear caused by the ball striking the uncovered wooden surface for the blade. Sixth, contact with the ball. In this clause, reference to the bat shall imply that the bat is held in the batsman's hand or a glove worn on his hand, unless stated otherwise. The contact between the ball and any of the bat itself, the batsman hand holding the bat, any part of glove worn on the batsman hand holding the bat, any additional material permitted under 5.4 shall be regarded as the ball striking or touching the bat or being struck by the bat. 7. Bat size limit. The overall length of the bat when the lower portion of the handle is inserted shall not be more than 38 inches by 96.52 cm. The blade of the bat shall not exceed of the following dimension: width 4.25 inches by 10.8 cm, depth 2.64 inches by 6.7 cm, edges 1.56 inches by 4.0 cm. Furthermore, it should be able to pass through a bat cage is described in paragraph appendix B.